Okay, do you hear me good, guys? Now we will demonstrate my special indicator I invented myself 2010. This indicator, as you see, shows the two lines. The down one, I call it the support line. The upper line is the resistance line. You can see that it will move those lines upon the time dynamically, so you will find the support and resistance dynamically, and this is the real support and resistance ever you can find. Uh, I will demonstrate for you the how it moves and give me direct breaks, and those breaks of the resistance or support can be shooting signals to buy and sell. So first, this is the euro 4 hours chart. 4 hours chart, that means each line is 4 hour time movement. To shape one single candle, you need 4 hour time. 4 hour time each one. So let's demonstrate my indicator and 4 hour times chart, because it can go also with 1 minute chart, to 5 minute chart, 15 minute charts, and 30-minute chart, no problem. So I will demonstrate for you the chart here for the 4 hours first. So I put it in what do you call it, strategy tester, so we can use it in the historical data how it moves. So I make to move and slowly movement, as you see here. 4 hour candle went below what they call it, below the support line. It became what they call it resistance, because the other candle went up to, let's stop it here. As you see, went up after breaking the line. The confirmation signal or candle went up and down, then it closed below the support line, closing below support line. So it is confirming to sell. So I made the sell or the short for the euro. Then it gives me all this 2 bars profit. If you want to see how many points from the sell until here, 65 points during one day, more than like 5 hours signal or 5 hour candle. So I go back here and move the bars, like it is acting in the light. This is another candle, 4 hour candle, and this is also another one, still confirming sell signal. As long we don't have any movement of those two lines, still signal short. You see, you are making money from here to here. Then this indicator, I will teach you how to add more indicators, Bollinger Band, CCI. Those two indicators will help you to act with my indicator to take more strong decision. So we made here some money, and this is 4 hours, so it is what they call it, big money will be. Now we're still short as long it is below the support. Now you see the line itself modified itself again with the time. It gives you here the support in this level. What we do, we got our profit and we wait. You see here another line, the line modified itself and give me that those two bars already breaking the resistance and buy signal, giving like buy signal, because this is confirming signal, confirming bar, buy and close over this resistance. So I can make buy from this level, and here you can see that still can make money in this level. But we have to also add more indicators to support those bars or to support my indicator. You see here, whatever it is happening, still over the resistance. Now the line modified itself, as you see, it is breaking the other line. So I want to add more, what do you call it, more indicators to help me to support my idea and my indicator. So what we do, we add here CCI 21 days, typical price, and level 0, 100, and minus 100. It will show me that where I am in the movement of the price plus my indicator. So as you see here, breaking down the support, so I can make sell again this area, and as long the what we call it, the CCI with this modification still below the minus 100, I'm still shorting and making money. Each bar is 4 hours, as you see, each bar is 4 hours. Now, when I can take my profit, when the CCI here, also here I added the Bollinger Band, this is the second indicator. As long that the CCI still not touching the minus 100, I can take my profit when it touches the minus 100. You see here, touch it, give me confirmation, down, not yet, it has to cross it, so I'm still making profit. Now touching the minus 100 CCI and also breaking up my resistance. It became support. Now you see it became support. It doesn't go down or below the support. It was resistance, support, then also here crossing the minus 100, so I can do my buy any area here, can do my buy. It's already buy signal here. Let us see what will happen. You see it is giving me up, especially when it gives you another line here. This is the resistance. It's going to cross it up or no, we will see. Then I'm still buying. You see here the zero and CCI. You see it is crossing the resistance, still not confirming. The Bollinger Band, the middle one, is important. The zero here is important. And CCI, and still we are in the buy position. Wow, whoa, it is breaking again, but still not confirming. It will confirm now. You see, it is going over the Bollinger Band. Still buying, yes, over the signal. I mean, the candle opened over the Bollinger Band, over my support, so I am winning now and making money, also over the zero. Now I have more confirmed buy signal. Let us wait and see. I bought here. It is now confirmed. It's going up, touching the below the upper. Yes, it is touching the upper CCI line and the upper Bollinger Band. I can take my profit when it is over the my plus 100. But you see it's starting to break down my support. It's this one support line. Yes, it's above the support. It's still over the Bollinger Band, but it's not confirmed. So closing still. It's not going to close down, yes, but still not touching the plus 100. We have now confirmed. Yes, we have confirmed sell signal, as you see below the line two times. So I get my buy here, I get profit here, and I wait for the short signal and it give me in this area. Now it is broken below the support, it became resistant, and below the yellow line in Bollinger Band and below the zero line, so it is clear sell. I can decide to take the sell or short from here. Now it touches the line below. I take my profit around this area. It gives you another chance to take your profit, the short profit. Then I wait for new buy. So we have three components: my indicator, the resistance and support, the dynamical one, and we have the Bollinger Band. Bollinger Band, you have to do this kind of setting 21 in period 0 and deviation 2 apply to typical price HLC over 3 level 0. Okay, and you might make the middle line thicker here. Where is the level 0 thicker? So I made the short. I'm waiting here. I got my profit. I'm still waiting to get another signal. I took my profit from the short because I started when break the line. You saw that yourself. Go back to the video. And I'm waiting to do an action, which is buying action or selling action again, but it looks like I have to wait for the buy action. Again, the support line become full break, yeah, broke down again. This is showing me that very quickly bounded up, still no confirmation. But of course, you can go back to do this trade on 1 hour chart, or you can do it in 30-minute chart or daily chart. It's up to you. Here, as you see, I can have starting signal for buying. Of course, the Bollinger Band, the CCI, and my indicator, plus you go and follow up the calendar. The calendar is important, daily calendar, where is the European opening with high impact data. You can regulate your trade on that. Also the US opening at 8:30 US market time. It is important to buy or to take a decision within the opening, the data pop up and high impact, because those indicators and my support and resistance will match together to give you the right decision to buy and sell on the right time. So we still have here waiting time to buy or sell, because the trend is between the support, the resistance and support. So we are still waiting, and you see here the CCI is touching the -100. Try to break down the line, as you see here, breaking down again. There's a confirmation. There's a confirmation below the support. I can do sell or no. As long the CCI is below the -100, I don't recommend to make the sell, because already oversold. So I don't recommend. Just wait until you get the buy signal. As you see here, buying signal almost will shape. This is for our chart. You see it is shaping up, breaking the resistance up, breakthrough, yes. Will give you the information. From here I can start to think to buy. I made buy now. Okay, I made the buy signal. It's going toward the zero. Now I'm winning a little bit. Still confirming signal. Can I add more positions? Yeah, when I have this price, I can add more positions. I'm still close to the middle Bollinger Band. Now I am still crossing up the support, I mean the resistance. Now breaking up the resistance, breaking up the Bollinger Band. Yes, the signal, the candle open over the Bollinger Band, over the zero. It is more confirmed buy. It is more confirmed buy signal. So I bought. I'm waiting to make some money. Now it is given profit, as you see. This is how my strategy goes. Using my indicator, Bollinger Band in 21 days sitting, and the CCI with 21 days sitting. It is giving you now information to buy. You already bought, and we made some money. Let's see how many points are. 36 points so far. Is it going to touch the Bollinger Band? Yes, the upper one. Already breaking up the 100, as you see, 100 level. So here it's up to you. You can take the profit, or you just wait for more money. But you see here it's going down back again, because the major trend is down and the higher small trends are here. So as you see, so I took my profit, and when it's touching this line now, it is giving me another sell signal, because it's already broken the zero level and CCI and the Bollinger Band, the middle one. Then I sold, and I'm waiting. I sold again. I sold, I'm waiting, making profit. You see the line still over the -100, so I have to wait. I'm waiting. It's moving toward the Bollinger Band, the down line. It's already blocking the support. I sold here in this area, so still confirmed not to 62 points, which is good. It went down. Now I cannot take my profit yet, because I need to see this Bollinger Band and CCI. The CCI line has to come back and jump. Of course, I can take my profit here, which is much better. But I need to see the CCI touching back again the -100, which is going down. I'm happy with my profit. Yes, why not? 206 point, 206 point for the whole day, because this is each one is 4 hours. So I can see that the turn up point already started. So it's up to you. You want to take your profit somewhere. I took my profit. So this is how it is working. It's important to have the 4 combination, the CCI, with uh, this kind of what they call it, figure, and setting the Bollinger Band, and my indicator, plus you are following the time for the data move up in the high impact. You see it is it's not yet touching the -100, but almost done. So I teach this course. I teach you how to set up the indicators. My indicator is very important. It will give you confirmation where to buy, where to sell when it is breaking up the support and resistance. So you can download it and you can rent it monthly. If you wanna have the course face to face with me, I can give it to you and give you the indicator for few months free. You can use it. You see here another support, I mean the resistance breaking up, and you can see here the confirmation signal. You can buy, but you have a first confirmation, and now still there is resistance. It will break it up and will make the same as what happened here. So still buying. The CCI still towarding the 0 level. And CCI, you see here, touching the Bollinger Band. Now open a new candle over the Bollinger Band. So I bought here. I'm making money still. Another confirmation to support my first buying. See here, I'm making money more. Crossing the 0. Wow. Going to the Bollinger Band edge line. They are moving together, you know. See, giving support. Whoa. Giving money. This is how is my strategy. No one has this strategy. Only me. I created after 25 years of trading Forex. So you want to learn it face to face, you pay for the tuition for the course, 5 hours course. I will set up the indicator for you and teach you how to use the techniques face to face. Or if you are professional enough to understand those things, then you can download the indicator. You can rent it and download it from NQL5 market, and you will find the link, the short link to that where you can rent it. So we have the indicator itself, and we have the expert advisor based on the indicator, and you can add the CCI, and you can add the Bollinger Band. So it will give you signals right away like the one pop up. It happened. It will pop up for you the signals that you can sell and buy already. You don't need to watch your screen all the time, and you can connect it to your mobile, and it's easy. You can just go option and you go to notification, and you enable push notification, notify of trade transactions. Then you put your MT4 mobile code, you can put it here, and you can test it, and you put OK, and it will come to you each time my system giving the signal. It will come to your mobile. So you have to download the system itself, this one. It called Set Your Inputs Expert Advisor. It is based on the Sami Saydam resistance and support indicator. So to set up a system to trade for you, or to send you signal, you have to download this Set Your Inputs. I can show you if you go to the internet. I can show you that if you go to yallaforex.com, yallaforex.com, you can find the indicator in MQL5 market, or if you want to see the expert advisor itself, you go to ss-systems.com. So here I will show you. Still moving. So the system give you the right time to trade any currency, any market you want. Because in the forex.com, by Sami Saydam resistance and support indicator. Or when you go to it is indicator, you put it in the indicator. Indicators, you see indicator Sami Saydam RSMQ4 or Sami Saydam RSC 2020 EX4. You have to, you'll receive the EX4. This is nothing to do with that, but you receive the EX4, you put it in the indicators file, then you close, switch off the MT4, then you open it again, and when you open it again, you will say, you go to navigator, you will find it somewhere in the indicator section, go down, you will find it, then you just grab it by the left mouse, and you put it on the screen. Then you put the inputs true. Email, you don't have the email, so you put it false. Notification alert, put it to true. So each time you see here breaking down the line, and give you confirmation here, then it will pop up a screen telling you that the trend is down. They will tell you your euro, US dollar, 4 hours, trend is down. So you can go and check what is happening. It will come to your mobile, and you open your mobile if you are on the go, and check the Meta Trader and check the CCI, and also you will follow up the high impact data pop-up every day. And as you see here, sell signal after breaking down the support become resistant, so it will keep down. You see here, when I give you the mouse down, where is first touch of the 100, this is signal confirmed. Then this is more confirmed because it's crossing down the middle line of Bollinger Band and going down to more profit. You see? So this is 4 hours, so it's like what we call it, 180 points. You see, and it's still going down. Because I told you I will take my profit only when the CCI goes below the minus 100, and when it goes below the minus 100, then I will wait until toward the minus 100 back, like this, you see, then I can take my profit. I have to be strong and tight, even if it went up and touches the zero Bollinger Band, then it goes down. You see, it doesn't mean that still my short to close it. I still confident as long as that the CCI is still over the minus 100. Is that clear? Clear. So, as I told you, you can download. You can go also here. This is the indicator. You can go for, of course, if you open this screen, you will see the Sami Saydam RS 2020, and it will give you some pictures how it works. On the pop-up screen, how it pop up. I will show you here long. Here give you the short trend, because it was here the first line, then broken down. Then you can go to my other products, set your strategy. Set your strategy is the expert advisor containing the indicator. You can add the CCI with the settings. So this is the open and open inputs. Set your inputs, so it is free to set your inputs using my indicator. ss-systems.com. It will give you, direct you to this place. And also there is a kind of photo. See, it directs you to the expert advisor or to the system in MQL5. MQL5 is the Meta Trader owner's website. They create the MT4 and they allow traders to program a software to fit with the MT4, and they allow you to sell your software or programming advisor in their website after they check it and certify it. So my product is checked and certified from the MetaTrader to fit, and it is positive and giving what they call it progress to the traders. That's why here the settings, as you can see, the photo of the settings and the performance after testing. But of course, I added for your signal here, there's a link with the file. You click on, it will direct you to a page with the settings here. So you don't need to call me for the settings. As you see here, the settings. For the CCI, you can put it 21, and the close price, you put it triple HLO over 3. Also, you are welcome to contact me by email or by WhatsApp. My website is samiforex.com, very easy to reach, and you'll find my number and emails. So this is my indicator. I put it for you under your hand. All the forex traders, easy to use it. You just need 4 components. The Bollinger Band with this setting. You need the CCI with the setting and my indicator together. Plus, you have to follow the high impacts and data pop-up calendar, the economical calendar. 4 things, you can make a lot of money. You can use it in US market indices, US market stocks, currencies, gold and silver, commodities, energy, even local stocks if it is compatible with what they call it, the MT4. So you are welcome to contact me anytime if you want to have the course face to face. I am in somewhere around you. You just contact me and you will find me. And also I can teach you the course over the team viewer overseas. You just pay me for the course and they will contact you over the internet phones or Skype, and they will set up the system for you or through the team web viewer. So let us post this video and share it all over and let the people trade with confidence and make money. And I will be happy to have your comments and likes and share for this video. Thank you very much and have a good trade and rich day. Bye bye.